Need high-quality Christmas gift product reviews for your websites, blogs, and more? Grab the private label rights to this freshly written content that's designed to help your audience find the perfect gifts for their loved ones this Christmas. Christmas Gift Reviews PLR Content. 15 Christmas Gift Reviews PLR Articles. Fresh content, never sold or used before. Comes in TXT and DOC formats. 500 plus words of content for each article. Written to motivate your visitors to buy. Fully rebrandable PLR rights included. Download instantly. Get instant access now. Brand new premium quality done for you content. This brand new private label rights content can be used to create products, videos, and more. You can use it as fresh content on your websites and blogs, or anything else you can imagine. Introducing Christmas Gift Reviews PLR Content. 15 PLR articles reviewing the top gifts for Christmas this year. Fresh PLR content for marketers to help their audience find the best gifts for Christmas. You're getting a brand new set of 15 private label rights review articles all about helping you and your audience find the perfect gifts for Christmas this year at the best possible prices. This content is in high demand right now and is in a highly profitable niche that's truly evergreen this time of year. Plus it can literally save you countless hours from having to write all this content yourself. This is fresh content that has been written exclusively for this package and has never been sold or used before at the time of release. Christmas Gift Reviews PLR Content. Here are the products reviewed. AeroPress Coffee and Espresso Maker, 574 words. Anker Power Core Mini, 579 words. Beast Blender, 581 words. Bose Sports Airbuds, 613 words. LL Bean Mock Neck Quilted Sweatshirt, 585 words. Now Bluetooth Connected iType Instant Film Camera, 584 words. Parachute Cozy Booty, 546 words. Pure Enrichment Heating Pad, 670 words. Revlon Hot Brush, 558 words. The Brooklyn and Waffle Robe, 543 words. The Layla Weighted Blanket, 532 words. The Photo Stick Omni, 588 words. Tile Pro, 605 words. Warmies Plush Slippers, 639 words. Woven Pocket Legging, 530 words. That's about 8,725 plus words of freshly written content that could cost you thousands of dollars to outsource, plus you don't have to write it all yourself. This content is going to save you a ton of your valuable time from having to write all these articles yourself. That alone is worth its weight in gold. However, if you were to outsource all this content to some freelancer, you'd be looking at upwards of $25 or more per article. So this PLR article package can save you hundreds of dollars. Here's a few ways you can monetize this PLR content. Use it as content for your websites and blogs. Create ebooks with the content and sell that. Create videos for YouTube with the content. Use content for your newsletters. Use content as part of your new products. Create guest posts on blogs and forums. Translate the content in multiple languages. Break down into content for social media. Create lead magnets with the content. Use the content to promote affiliate offers. Repurpose the content into an audiobook. And a whole lot more.